Welcome back to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now.
Little did the Yon boys know, tonight was UFC 264, Conor McGregor vs. Dustin Poirier 3. Go Conor.
I know you guys have seen this, KFC. But this is not the KFC we're talking about. Today we're going to be making Korean fried chicken.
Have you ever had fried chicken with just the most sticky, crunchy, delicious bite to it? This is what you're gonna have today.
Now let's get into this recipe. So our first step for our Korean fried chicken is creating our dry brine. It's gonna be a very simple recipe. We're gonna be grating garlic, ginger, shallots, a little salt, a little sugar, and that's it. We're gonna toss up the chicken, let it marinate for up to 4 hours, or overnight if you want to get that extra flavor.
For our Korean fried chicken sauce, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of shallots diced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 thumb of ginger, grated, just a touch of salt. We're gonna sweat this down over medium heat until our shallots go translucent. We're gonna deglaze our sauce pot with 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Add half a cup of dark soy sauce, 1/3 of a cup of ketchup, two tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of hoisin, 1/4 of a cup of sambo, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 lime, zest and juice, and a half cup of gochujang. We're gonna let this reduce on medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. While our sauce is reducing, we're gonna get our dredge ready. We like to keep a very simplistic dredge, just nice and crispy, and let that sauce do all the work. We're gonna add 2 cups of AP flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, cracked pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of passion, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A little mixy mix with those frisky chicks.
I've taken our chicken out of the fridge. It's been brining for about 4 hours. Time to give it a nice dredge in this flour mix. I'm just gonna coat each piece of chicken, really press it into the meat so I get a nice crispy, crunchy exterior. Dust off any excess, and put it on a plate and set it to the side. Our chicken's all dredged up, now it's time to fry. Time to fry our chicken. We're actually gonna do a double fry on this. We're gonna set our oil to 300 degrees and begin to do the first cook on our chicken. Time to drop the chicken in. So our chicken's actually been down for about 12 minutes. I'm gonna remove it from the oil right now, turn the oil up to 375 degrees, let that come to temp, and then we're gonna drop it and get the final crisp on the outside. Our oil has come to temp, time to do our final fry. We're just gonna bring the chicken up to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, internally. Our chicken is done. I'm gonna take it out of this basket, put it on a wire rack.
We sauce the chicken, we're gonna garnish it with cilantro, toasted sesame seeds, and some curled scallions. Korean fried chicken, baby.
Time to dig in.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Mmm.
Wow.
That's what I'm talking about.
The flavor on that
Oh, the spice.
is delicious.
The sweetness. Yeah. Oh, that's it right there. That blows KFC out of the park, man.
Oh yeah.
Only thing missing is a nice little cold brews.
Yeah, a nice Korean beer.
Oh man,
Famously fried chicken and beer.
Sticky, chili, delicious. That little ginger in the brine, the shallots,
And then it's really crispy still. Even with the sauce all over it.
Oh yeah.
All right. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Peace.